I'm not going to need a ton of stuff today. I've already got my laptop and charger in here. Let's take out this tool panel. The first tool is going to be for putting ends on Ethernet cables. Now, obviously, you need some ends. Let's get some screwdrivers in here. See how that is trouble? Like I said, as a professional, you can't be taking the time to have to do that. That just doesn't... I think I'm going to space it out one more. That just doesn't work. It doesn't cut it. Always going to grab a pair of pliers to have around. This isn't going to work in that. This is too heavy. The elastic isn't even going to hold it. So we'll stick that in there. Let's grab some cutters. We'll grab our fish kit, test meter, I gotta refill my ends there. I'll just put some extra ones in. Some shears, stripper. Maybe we'll throw a Sharpie in here. Razor knife, needle nose. This is not going to last. I'm really, really disappointed in the quality of this. Not just the low quality elastic, but look how thin that stitching is. There's nothing there. Okay, a few last items to try and fit in here somehow. Okay, I've got a drill. It doesn't really hold this too good. Some bits, because I have to run a wire through a floor. All right, let's see if we can get these in the side pocket. Drill bits are not going to fit. It's not a really big pack. It's not a high capacity. All right, we'll put the bits in there. Put a tape. So it is going to physically hold and carry what I need it to do today. But I didn't put that much in it, and it's full. There's no extra room. The organization is subpar. The method of holding your tools is subpar. You need to improve the construction of this pack. You need to add rigid nylon webbing with really good stitching so it holds up. And I think over time, maybe the frame of this pack is going to need to be a little stiffer. It's standing up right now, but like that AWP that I have, in a year or two, it's going to be wanting to fall over. So you asked for my recommendations, and as a professional, that's my opinion.